Uh,
Hello, Quang.
Hello.
Oh, where's your camera?
My camera
I can see
is
you now. It's okay. I can see you now. All right. How are you tonight, Quang?
I'm fine.
All right. Very good. Well, um, it's good that our internet is working well because the last time that we had our lesson, we were not able to continue it because of our Wi-Fi issues, right? Okay, so Quang, what did you do today? What made you busy the whole day?
Uh, Today I'm study math and Vietnamese.
Did you go to school today?
No, I study online.
Ah, you know what? I have a student. She lives near Ho Chi Minh. I forgot the name of the place, and they are going to school already. They are coming
Yeah,
to school. Okay, are you from Ho Chi Minh, Quang?
I'm from Hanoi.
Ah, yeah, you're from Hanoi. Okay, so there are some places in Vietnam that is under quarantine still, right?
Yes.
That's why you are not yet able to go to school as normal classes. Okay, so Quang, let's begin our lesson 4 tonight. So this was the lesson that we had. All right. So I think we already, did we talk about this one, Quang? Not yet.
Uh, uh,
Not yet, right?
yes.
Because when we are about to start our lesson, we encountered a problem in Zoom. That's why we were not able to continue. Okay, so Kwan, this is unit 8. Okay, new ways to learn. All right, we're going to talk about the different ways that on how we can learn. Okay, so the first part, Kwang, is vocabulary. Okay, can you read the words first, Kwang?
Uh, I should application
Mm-hmm.
concentrate
Again,
device
con
concentrate
concentrate.
concentrate
Mm-hmm.
device digital
Mm-hmm.
disadvantage educate touch screen by uh recursion
Voice recognition.
by recursion
Recognition.
recognition
Yes. Next.
fingertip uh it improve in introduction
Mm-hmm.
native portable software uh cyber
Syllable.
scalable and technology.
All right. So let's talk about access. Okay. So what do you mean by access, Kwang?
Access is uh access is uh attack
Again, what do you mean by access?
access is uh, um, is
Okay,
way is
so yeah, way of
uh, um,
yeah. Well, your answer is correct. So access, it means you have a way. All right. For example, you have an access. You have an access to the Wi-Fi. You have an access to the internet, or it can be you have an access to the balcony. Okay, it means you have a way, or you can use it, or you're allowed to do it. Okay, so that is
okay.
some explanation for access. Okay, next one, Kwang, is application. What do you mean by application?
Application is software.
Yes. So there are two different meaning of application. So the one that you said is correct. Application is a kind of software, or is a kind of software. Yeah, it can be on the cell phone, it can be on the laptop, it can be on your computer or tablet. Okay, and the other application is a formal request. Okay.
Okay.
So next one, Kwang, is concentrate. What do you mean by concentrate?
Concentrate is uh, is uh, uh,
What do you mean by concentrate?
is uh, uh, is uh, focus.
Yes. Concentrate means you are focused on something. Next one is device.
Device is uh, uh, is mouse, uh, keyboard.
Yes, device is a gadget. Okay, next one, Kwang, is digital. What do you mean by digital?
Digital is uh, is
Digital. What do you mean by digital?
it skewed uh
Okay, wait a minute, Kwang. Let me go to the restroom first. Wait for me. Okay, Kwang, let's continue. So we are in digital already. Okay, so what do you mean by digital?
Digital is a skill uh, skill number.
Yeah, that's correct. So digital is there are two kinds of digital. So the first digital is like the numbers are written on the screen. Okay, for example, a digital clock. So it's not a clock with the usual hands. So the time there is written on the screen or in the board. And other digital, it means that it's computerized. Okay. Next one, Kwan. Disadvantage. What do you mean by disadvantage?
Disadvantage uh, is uh, is defect.
Okay, disadvantage means it's not in your favor. Okay, next one is
Uh,
educate. What do you mean by educate?
educate. Educate is uh, is is education.
All right. So educate means education or somebody teaches you. Okay, next one is touchscreen. What do you mean by touchscreen?
Touch screen is uh, touch screen is uh,
Touchscreen. This is the a kind of screen that you can touch. Okay, so well, like in the cell phone, you can touch the screen. All right. All right. Anyway, Kwang, let's move on. All right. So let's have first getting started. Listen and read. Okay. We're going to listen with a recording or a conversation between Hong and Fong. Okay.
okay.
Unit 8. New ways to learn.
Page 26. Getting started. Activity 1. Listen and read.
I'm preparing for a class discussion on personal electronic devices. Do you think smartphones, laptops, and tablets are useful for learning?
Definitely. They're the modern devices that have changed the way we learn.
Oh, yeah. I think people use smartphones mostly for communication.
Sure, but smartphones can also be used to take photos or record students' work, which can be later shared with the class.
That's true. How about laptops?
Oh, they're excellent learning tools too. You can store information, take notes, write essays, and do calculations. You can also access the internet, download programs, and information that can help you understand the material and widen your knowledge. Right. My laptop, which is a present from my parents, is very useful. I use it for assignments and projects, and for studying English.
I see. How about tablets?
Well, a tablet or a tablet computer is a kind of mobile computer, and it can be used to take notes with a digital pen on a touch screen. A tablet is also perfect for people whose work is to draw and write. Yes, I agree. A tablet with Wi-Fi has internet access and is a great tool for looking up information.
Amazing! No wonder that so many people are using these devices.
Okay, so now, Kwang, let's read their conversation together. I will be Hong and you'll be Fong. Okay, so I'm preparing a class discussion on personal electronic devices. Do you think smartphones, laptops, and tablets are useful for learning?
Definitely
Definitely.
they are the modern device that have changed the way we learn.
Okay. Oh, yeah. I think people use smartphones mostly for communication.
Sure, but smartphone can also be used to take photo or record student work, which can be later shared with the class.
That's true. How about laptops?
Oh, they are excellent learning tool too. You can store information, take notes right easy, and do correlation.
You can also access the internet, download programs and information that can help you understand the material and widen your knowledge.
Right, my laptop, which is a present from my parents, is very useful. I use it for assignment and project and for studying English.
I see. How about tablets?
While a tablet or a table computer is a kind of modern computer and
And okay, it can be used to take notes with a digital pen on a touch screen. A tablet is also perfect for people whose work is to draw and write.
yes, I agree. A table with Wi-Fi has internet access and is a great tool for looking up information.
Amazing. No wonder that so many people are using these devices. Okay. So now, Kwang, let's move on.
Unit 8.
All right. So now, Kwang, all you have to do is to say true, false, or NG or not given. Okay. So number one, Kwang, read and say T, F, or NG.
Uh, it's a tool.
Okay, I will read it first. Smartphones, laptops, and tablets are the modern devices that have changed the way we think. Okay, it's false. Number two, Kwan. According to Fong, students use smartphones to record their phone calls, which they later share with the class.
It's tool.
It's false. Number three, Fong says that people also use desktops the way they use laptops.
Mm, uh, uh, tool.
Yes. Number four, programs and materials downloaded from the internet can help people widen their knowledge.
It's tool.
It's not given. Number 5, according to Lam, a tablet is a kind of mobile computer that can be used to take notes with a normal pen on a touch screen.
Um, is NG.
It's false. Number 5, 6, phone thinks a tablet with Wi-Fi is a great tool for looking up information.
Is two.
Yes, very good, Kwang. That is true. All right, 2 points here for you, Kwang. Oh wait, Kwang, I have to ask you. Well, well, my student for Wednesday and Friday changed changed the day of our class. Okay, so I am free at 8 o'clock. Are you free at that time, Kwang? Can we learn earlier at Wednesday and Friday?
Uh,
So
Friday.
we can sleep early. Do you want that?
Friday I have a class uh in the school.
Ah, you have an online class.
Yes,
Okay. So you mean, mm, yeah, you're not free at 8 p.m.
yes.
Okay, because teacher is free at 8 p.m. because my class at that time has moved to another schedule. That's why, yeah, we are free at that time. How about at 7 p.m., Kwang? Are you free?
Uh, is I am uh uh
You have class?
at that time I was eating.
Okay. Because teacher is free at 7 p.m. on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So I'm thinking that maybe we can move at that time. Are you free at 7 p.m. on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday?
Uh, no, I free time in the 9 p.m.
Okay. Anyway, yeah, maybe I can get another student at that time, okay?
Okay.
All right, next one, Kai. Read the conversation again and answer the following questions. All right, number 1, Kang. What personal electronic devices are the speakers talking about? What are they talking about?
Uh, uh, can you return?
Okay. So here, Kang, what personal electronic devices are the speakers talking about? So what are they talking about?
Is um is a smartphone, laptop, and table is learning.
Yeah. So they are, let's see. They are using smartphones, laptop, and tablet computers. Your answer is correct. Number 2, Kwan. What have these devices changed? What have these devices changed?
Um, is um uh It's there are modern devices that have changed the way we learn.
Okay, let's see. So they have changed the way we learn. Very good. Question number 3. How do students use their smartphones for other things beside calls? How are the students use their smartphones aside from calls?
Um, is uh, is smartphone can also be used to take the photo or record student work.
Okay, let's see. Yes, they use them to take photos and record their work, which can be shared later with the class. Okay, next one, Pat. Why are the laptops excellent learning tools? Why are the laptops excellent learning tools?
It's they are excellent learning to you can store information, take note, write essays, and do calculations.
Okay, let's see. That is okay. Your answer is correct. Last one, Kwan. What does Fong do on his laptop? What is Fong do on his laptop?
Um, you can also access the internet, download program and information that can help you understand the merit and written your knowledge.
Okay, very good. Let's see. All right. So he does his assignment, project, and studies English. And your answer is also correct, Kwang. Very good. That is a total of 5 points for you. Okay, next one, Kwang. Match each of the phrases on the left with its explanation on the right. Okay, so all we have to do, Kwang, is to complete the sentences by choosing the correct pair. Okay, so the first one is take notes of something. What do you mean by
Uh,
that?
it's e
What's E?
write something down.
Yes, very good. Number 2 is touch screen.
It's um D uh,
Yes, that's letter D. What's letter D? Can you say it?
a screen which allow giving instruction by touching.
Mm-hmm. All right. Next one is number 3. Take advantage of something.
It's B
Okay, what's letter B?
make use of something to the fullest extent.
Okay, number 4. Look something up.
It's read and use something
What is it?
is a
Yeah. Oh, it's C. Search for and find something on a dictionary or a reference book. And last one, Kwang, is access
I
something. Of
is
course,
a
letter A. What's letter A, Kwang?
read and use something.
Yes, very good. So you got 4 correct answers here. Very good, Kwang. Oh, I see your sisters. They're in your room. Is that your bedroom, Kwang?
It's my bedroom.
Yeah, I can see them a while ago. They are walking and running. You have two sisters?
Yes,
Oh, yeah, I saw them earlier. Okay, so now, Kwang, let's answer part number 2. Read the conversation and getting started again. Match pictures A to C with their uses as learning tools in number 1 to 6 mentioned below. All right, so Kwang, well, you have to read the sentences here and then you choose whether it's A, B, or C. Okay, this is very easy, Kwang. So number 1, you have to read it.
it's the internet, download program and information. It's
Okay,
B,
let me see. Okay, well, it can be A, B, or C. How about number 2?
take note with a digital pen on a touch screen. It's A or C.
Very good. Number 3, Kwang.
Take photo or record student work is ABC.
Uh huh. What is it?
ABC.
Okay, number 4.
To assignment and project and study English is ABC.
A, B, C. Oh, it's letter B, but A, B, C is correct. Number 5, Kwang.
Store information. Take note, write easy and to uh, calculation
Mm-hmm.
is A, B, or C.
Yes, letter B is correct. Next one, Kwang, is
Look up information. Is uh, is B or C.
okay. A, B, or C is correct. All right, Kwang, good job. You got a perfect score of 6 points in this part of the activity. All right, so Kwang, let's have the continuation. Listen and repeat. Okay, I will play a recording, and then all you have to do is to repeat the words that you hear.
Unit 8, page 28. Language. Activity 1. Listen and repeat.
1. Concentrate. Similar. Contribute. Digital.
2. Introduce. Excellent. Recognize. Vietnamese.
3. Understand. Personal. Interest. Symbolic.
All right, so Kwang, can you repeat the words that listed on the screen?
Concentrate.
Again,
Similar.
again.
Concentrate.
Yes.
Similar. Contribute. Digital. Introduct. Excellent. Recording.
Mm-hmm.
Vietnamese. Understand. Personal. Interest. Symbolic.
All right, very good.
Unit 8.
All right, next one, Kwang, is
Unit 8. Page
All right, so this is our last activity, Kwang. This is grammar. Read the following sentences and underline which, that, with, and whose. What are these words used for? Decide if the clauses are defining or non defining relative clauses. Okay, well, that is quite difficult. So let's move here, Kwang. Okay, so here, Kwang, all you have to do is to match the two set of sentences in order for you to create one one sentence. Okay, so number one, Kwang, is
Is I talked to a man uh, uh, that um, uh,
I talked to a man
um, I talked to a man which is a city in central Vietnam.
again. I talked to a man which is a city
Which
in central Vietnam.
yes,
No, Kwang. You change your answer.
uh, is uh,
I talked to
um,
a man.
uh, um, it's who invention changed the world.
Let's see. Letter E. Whose smartphone was stolen? Okay, how about number two, Kwang?
We often visit our grandfather in Vinh, which is a city in central Vietnam.
Okay, that's correct. Number three.
Uh, thank, thank you very much for the book uh, that you sent me.
Okay, how about number four?
Number four is the man turned out to be her son. Um, uh, who who had gone missing during the war.
Yes, that's correct. Number five.
He admired people. Uh, uh, um, who invention changed the world.
Yeah. Oh, no, it's letter C. Who are wealthy and successful. Next one, Kwang. Number five, six.
Have you heard of John Adnice of who are watery, waiter, uh, wealthy and successful?
Oh, it's already answered. It's used already.
Uh, is who invention changed the world?
Yes, that's correct, Quang. All right. Well, wait a minute. Okay, this is wrong. Correct. Correct. This is wrong. Correct and correct. Okay, 4 points for you, Quang. All right. Well, we have a few minutes left, Quang. So, okay. So now, Quang, you have to read the sentences here and choose from who, which, that, or whose. So we can complete the sentence, okay? Again, who, which, that, or whose. Okay, number one, Quang.
Number one is
Oh, you read first. Personal, electronic.
a personal electronic device. Um, um, uh, who discharge students from their class work are banned in Moscow.
What's your answer? Whose?
Yes,
Oh, which is the answer? Okay, number two, Quang.
number two is the laptop. Who cover is decorated with funny animal belong to my aunt.
Okay, so the answer there is whose. Number three, Quang.
My table. Who is 2 years old still work quite well.
Which? Number four.
Student. Uh, student.
Students.
Uh, which have smartphone can use them to look up work in an electronic directory.
Okay, number five, Quang. Some scientists.
Uh, some scientists think that children uh, uh, children which parents allow them to use electronic devices early will have more advantage in the future.
Okay, and last one. Long.
Long, which is only 2.5, like to play on a table.
What's your answer? Long.
Which
Who? Who is the answer? Okay, so you got um 3 points here in this activity. All right, well, Quan. So I'm going to see you again on our class on Wednesday, okay?
okay.
All right, that would be all for tonight, Quan. Chuk Nulun.
Goodbye.